What's the clunk when I shift from reverse to drive?
Yeah, great question. You know what? Let's just ask a tech here. This is Mateo. What would you do if, let's say, we're taking a look at a car and the car coming in saying, hey, we've got a clunk from reverse to drive. What are the first couple things that you and I are checking out in that process? Okay.
One of the first things I would check is the motor mounts, specifically the rear trans mount. And if those are all tight, we can check control arms. We can also check transmission fluid, because if the fluid is low, it can cause many problems with the transmission. But the number one thing you would start by checking is the motor mounts.
I agree. That was a good answer. That's a good job. It's like you're learning or something. It's impressive. Anyway, I agree with it. I think that's the first step where we're going to, especially when you're having to clunk going from park to drive, drive to reverse, reverse to drive. It tends to mean that you're having a loose motor mount. I'm particularly looking at the transmission mount itself because that's what's actually moving.